Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can create email rules in your Gmail account. So sadly we don't have this option in the Gmail app, so we have to open the web browser. Now just go to the gmail.com, and it's very important, remember to switch your web browser to the desktop site. Now just tap on the gear icon to open the settings and choose CL settings. Slide little right and choose filters and blocked addresses. How you can see, now you can create a new filter. There is a lot of options to adjust and just make it for your needs. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.